Okay, today we're gonna discuss about perimeter of plane figures. Of course, we must show the materials to be needed. First, we need a whiteboard, a ruler, a pencil pen,
Okay.
and an eraser. It's very simple. And of course, you need a human brain.
Okay.
As you can see, the description of a perimeter of a plane figure, the perimeter of a polygon is the distance around it. It can be found by adding the measures of all its sides, and below are some geometric figures and formulas in finding their perimeters. First, I'm going to discuss about the triangles. As you can see, a triangle has 3 sides, and it depends its sides by its measure. So there's actually a description about triangles, and of course, how we're gonna do the perimeter of a triangle is that you must simply add all its sides by each other, and then you can have the answer. For example, please put a number. On side A, there's 4 centimeters. On side B, another 6 centimeters. On side C, 8 centimeters. So to put it simply, it must be 4 times plus 6 plus 8. It's up to you. What's the answer?
18 pa nga. Oh, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 10. Okay.
And the final answer is 18 centimeters.
Box your answers.
You must box your final answer due to our illustrator.
Okay, and that's
how you simply do a perimeter of a triangle. Okay, Mr. Eraser, please erase the board.
Hanggan mo eh.
Very nice, very nice.
Bara. Bara.
And up next is we have to find a perimeter of a square. It takes some time. Okay. Now we're gonna do the perimeter of a square. Mr. Illustrator. Yes, as you can see, a square has 4 sides and it's very equal to each other. As you can see, this is a freaking square.
Okay na. Yan ko naman, guys.
Now,
Yan
our
yung
Mr.
moment.
Illustrator creates a square.
Okay.
This,
I can
as you can see, this is one of the most perfect squares created by
Oh my God.
Mr. Mr. Ian Capis himself. We congratulate him due to his success in creating squares all his life.
For this is my talent.
He's now a successful engineer in Bobby and Kate's Academy.
That's why I can propack you.
In a square, you must simply add its 4 sides to each other. As you can see, it is just simply adding. Everything is just simple addition. Mr. Illustrator, please
Okay.
put some.
Bigyan natin siya ng ganyan para equal siya. Okay.
Mr. Illustrator, as its example is 4 centimeters. So, since a square is equal on its sides, every side will be 4 centimeters.
Equal.
Then, if added, it will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus another 4.
Ilan? 4,
And will be
8.
equal to 16 centimeters. And that's our final answer.
Box your final answer.
Now we must clap for a job well done by Mr. Ian Capis. Now, Mr. Eraser Boy.
Square, pati yung square.
Now we're gonna discuss Mr. Video Man. Now we're gonna discuss about the perimeter of a rectangle. As you can see, it's like the square, but it's kind of longer. Much more specific, it's a length times width basis. And now our Mr. Illustrator tries to draw a rectangle. As you can see, this is another one of the perfect creations of Mr. Ian Capis. He is now an engineer in Bobby and Gates Academy. He has a major degree of 5 boxes. And a summa cum laude in Ateneo University. As you can see there, the length is the length. So to put it simply, you must first add the first length and the same of its length. And the given measure. Please write a given measure of the length. 4 centimeters on the upward. 6. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a failure. And on the width, we have 4 centimeters. And in order to do so, we must first add the length. It will be 4 plus 4.
Teka lang.
Ay, 6 times plus 6.
8, 20.
That will be equal to 20 centimeters. And after the box, you must first clap your hands, everybody.
Oh my God.
For decoration, for a job well done by Mr. Ian Capis.
God, I learned a new thing.
And last but not the least, we're gonna discuss about the parallelogram. As you see, a parallelogram is like a slanted of a rectangle, but it's much more complex because of its length.
Paralel.
Put it simply, the width must be plus by each other, and the length must also be added by each other. And in the end, you must add both sides to get the answer.
Mahirap na yung trabaho ko.
Now, as you can see, our Mr. Illustrator is one of the greatest illustrators in the entire country. He beated Floyd Mayweather on his birthday, and he had several guests like Ann Curtis or Vaughn Navarro. He's simply awesome, man.
Bien, guys.
Now, what you must do is you must add its length and width. It's simply like the rectangle.
Lagyan nyo na measure.
Mr. Illustrator, please give the given measure for the width and length. 5
meters.
5 meters on the width and 10 meters on the length. So, there's a... Yeah.
Tama ba?
Yes, sir. So first, you must add the length. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10.
30, no?
Is equal to 30 meters. And you must lastly box your final answer. And clap your hands, everybody, for a job well done.
Okay, we're done.
Okay, we're done with the math tutorial. So please subscribe in our Facebook accounts. Like Choice Kayan by Chris Kawaling. And goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Con los terroristas.
Do the Harlem Shake.
We're gonna discuss about the perimeter of
Con los terroristas.
for example, the perimeter of a triangle.
Con los
The perimeter
terroristas.
distance